Hi, my name is Nicole Minsterman, and I am working towards my RN through the nursing program. And nurses are one of the most trusted professions there are. We face many ethical dilemmas, but especially in nursing school, applying learned ethical values versus accepting unethical practices might be one we face during schooling. Desired to provide ethical care versus lacking autonomous decisions during our practice as students would be another. Silence versus whistleblowing for patient neglect would be something else that we face as a student, particularly if we are already nurses, which I am already an LPN, but as a student I have a few more restrictions on my practice when I am a student. However, we have a code of ethics as nurses that we must follow, and during our role as a student, something that we might observe a doctor perhaps or a nurse, we might observe them caring for a patient incorrectly, or maybe even giving care that is rough or maybe even mean. That should be reported, and it is my experience that I would report that improper care to a nurse supervisor. First, as a student, I might go to my person that is overseeing me on the floor and ask, where do I go from there to report something that's improper? Perhaps they even slipped medication into their pocket. So that must be reported, and there are safety guards for whistleblowers. My information that I got for my research came from an article called Nursing Students' Ethical Dilemmas Regarding Patient Care, an integrative review. This was in the Nurse Education Today magazine, volume 88, published in May 2020. And it was written by Samer Albert, Anitham Yumas, and Sadira Sana, and these are important articles for not only nursing students but also other nurses, even providers to consider, because it is important for them to know that students are also watching them, and they will be noticing, things that they could potentially be doing wrong, and maybe they don't even notice that they're doing things incorrectly. So it's important for everyone to be aware that you should be doing things correctly and following your code of ethics. Thank you.